I'm Marco Frisson, the head of the technical office at Valente. Today we're in our test fields to discuss the maintenance of a system pod. This is particularly important for tensile structures, such as the one in this case, which consists of concrete poles and anchors that form the rigid body, and wires and ropes that make up the flexible part. The combination of these elements is crucial for the overall stability and functionality of the structure. But we all know that the wires and ropes are under tension, and it's precisely this characteristic that provides the system with stability and the ability to withstand severe weather conditions. Therefore, if maintenance is neglected, the static characteristics calculated during the design phase will change, leading to a loss of system balance. The loosening of flexible components, such as wires and ropes, leads to instability within the system. This instability makes the system unable to withstand various stresses that arise from weather events, including hail, rain, and wind. A lack of regular maintenance can result in the bending or breaking of concrete poles, which can potentially lead to a complete collapse of the entire structure. This is why maintenance is crucial. At Valente, we recommend performing maintenance every 12 months by following specific steps. The very first step in maintaining a system involves carefully checking the tightening torque of the nuts on the rope clamp to ensure they are secure. This check is performed using a torque wrench set to a specific Newton-meter value as specified in the Valente installation manuals. To proceed, simply apply the wrench to the nut and ensure that the tightening torque is adequate for the task at hand. If this crucial step is skipped, there is a significant risk that the clamp could slip during the process of retensioning the anchoring rope, thereby undoing all the previous efforts that have been made. The second step in the process of system maintenance involves the task of retensioning the anchoring rope, the ridge wire, and the transverse rope that are found on the side poles. This operation is carried out on the Superganchi Vapa using the torque wrench, which is the only tool that allows you to precisely apply the tightening torque specified in the Valente maintenance manuals. After we have finished tensioning the covering structure, we can then proceed to begin tensioning the plant support wires. First and foremost, we need to retension the anchoring rope that is connected to the support wires for the plants. This step is crucial because if the anchoring rope is not properly tensioned, it can negatively affect the tensioning of the plant support wires. Ensuring that the anchoring rope is correctly tensioned is essential to maintain the proper tension in the plant support wire screen. Now let's focus on the plant support wire. We will use a torque wrench in order to adjust the tension to the specific values that are specified in the maintenance manual. In conclusion, regular maintenance is a crucial aspect for ensuring the stability and longevity of the structure, just like having an accurate design and proper installation. Performing maintenance continuously by following the steps we have just discussed ensures the stability of the structure and prevents potential collapses that could damage the crops below.